In this video, we are finding all real solutions to this quadratic power equation. Quadratic equations and powers are used throughout school and university, and they are very important to master. I'll give you 5 more seconds to get your head around. Right, let's get started. We need solving 2 equations. Either the exponent is 0 or the base is 1. First, we find the values of x that make the exponent 0. For that, we need solving the quadratic equation with coefficients a equals 1, b equals minus 3 square root of 2, and c equals 4. Replacing those values into the quadratic formula, our discriminant b squared minus 4ac equals 18 minus 16. Since the discriminant is positive 2, this may give us the false idea that we have 2 real solutions. However, when we examine them more closely, we realize that one of them is problematic. The first solution, 3 square root of 2 plus square root of 2 over 2, is alright. That leads to 2 square root of 2. The other one, 3 square root of 2 minus square root of 2 over 2, leads to square root of 2. However, when this second solution is replaced into the base, 2 minus x squared, it returns 0. Both the base and the exponent are 0, so this second solution is not a valid one. Now, we need to find the values of x that make the base 1. The solutions are x equals 1 and x equals negative 1. These 2 are both valid solutions. Is that all? Have we found all the real solutions? Not necessarily. We can also make the base negative 1 as long as the exponent is even, since negative 1 raised to an even number equals 1. Solving leads to the solutions plus and minus square root of 3. In this case, the exponent becomes 7 plus minus 3 square root of 6, which is not a multiple of 2. The only 3 valid real solutions are 2 square root of 2, 1 and minus 1. As an extension, you could try to find the complex solutions and share your answers on the comments below. I made a series of videos on complex solutions and quadratic equations that will help you. Check them out. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to receive updates.